Hey guys, today we're going to the bus. The sword. So I need to go pick up my outfit for the bus. I've got a cute bag for the bus, you guys. And that's it. No, I'm gonna wait this. No, we're not gonna take it. We're not going to shopping. So I'm gonna take you. You got to stop. Yeah? Stop, please. I'm gonna go pick up my outfit for cold bus. I have so many outfits, you guys. So many clothes to wear. Like, I'm gonna wear these pants. Look, guys, these pants. Look, the cute shirt. Cannot find a shirt for me. Like, I did a lot of outfits for this, but I couldn't find it. I hate when I see this when I see the stuff and I never find it. I'm gonna show you guys which page I wear or which stop missing I wear. Like it's weird. I have so many. I did go to the outfits today. I'm gonna show you guys the outfits. Don't test me. First outfit, good, or should I pick another one? This one. But I'm more executed now. I'm gonna show you guys with like this top with the spins, with these spins, and the stuff with these spins. I'm gonna show you guys. No, show you guys. Oh, that's one. These. But I already got my outfit. I'm gonna wear this and this. Go throw this in the trash. So maybe I will make a pattern already. I'm gonna wear my Crocs. My Crocs is my big Crocs is in there now. So I gotta get my stuff what I need to put in the bag. So you gotta put some money in there now. I got money and literally the hat and lotion and we need something else. This is my Gucci bag. So I will go about to my new office. That's my boy. So I will go back to bye.